before we get started, another warning: black hat methods are frowned upon by affiliate programs. So please use these methods discreetly and stay under the radar. Another thing before we start, yes, I'm Scottish, okay? I know I've got a slight accent. I'm from the east coast of Scotland, which is in the UK if you don't know. I can't help my accent. My last course I was getting some comments saying I can't understand you. If you can't understand me and you feel like you're not learning from me, please be sure to take my refund. I offer a 30-day refund, no questions asked. Also guys, please take notes. Remember, this stuff is really black hat, and like it says, it's frowned upon. Now I don't know how long this is going to last. The URLs and other codes will be written for you to copy, so don't worry, I've got your back.